Hey guys, welcome to Homemade Health. Today we are going to make rasam. This is my go to curry whenever I am feeling under the weather or I am missing my mum. Piping hot rasam on a cold winter day with some steamed rice, crispy fried egg, and papad. Ah, it's like my mum's warm and soothing hug when I need it the most. It is made in many ways, but I will make it in the way my mum makes. She takes some cumin and peppercorns, along with the holy trinity of ginger, garlic, and onions. It is then pounded to release the flavors. I have also charred some tomatoes on the side and peeled it. Into some hot oil, add mustard and fenugreek seeds, along with some curry leaves. Now add the paste and caramelize it well. Then some turmeric, red chili powder, and coriander powder is needed. Once the house fills with mouth-watering aroma, add tomatoes and cook it down to a pulp. Now take some tamarind in water and pour it into this yummy mush. Add salt to taste and let it boil for few minutes. Now our rasam is ready to please your gastronomical senses.